Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In the previous video, we explored AI governance frameworks. Now let's understand something very important. Who is actually responsible for AI governance? The simple answer is this: there is no single owner. AI governance is not just one team's job, it's a shared responsibility across the organization. When one person tries to carry it alone, things break. When multiple roles work together, governance becomes practical and sustainable. Let's start with leadership. Leaders set the vision for how AI should be used. They define policies, boundaries, and expectations. They make it clear what responsible use means for the organizations. Most importantly, leaders shape the culture. If leadership treats AI governance seriously, teams will too. If leadership ignores it, governance will stay on paper. Next are data scientists. They build and train AI models. They work closest to the data and the algorithms. That means they have a direct responsibility to check data quality. They must look for bias, gaps, and hidden assumptions in the data. They also need to evaluate whether model behavior is fair and reliable. Good governance starts long before a model is released. Third are product managers. They decide how AI shows up in real products. They choose which problem AI should solve and which ones it should not. This is where ethical impact becomes very real. A feature can be technically impressive and still harmful to users. Product managers balance value, risk, and user needs. They are responsible for asking, should we use AI here at all? Fourth are risk and compliance teams. They monitor risks and ensure regulations are followed. They review how AI systems behave over time. They run audits and track issues before they become incidents. Think of them as a safety checkpoint, not a roadblock. Their role is to protect the organization and its users. Now let's connect this to Agile and Scrum. In Agile teams, governance is not a separate phase at the end. It becomes part of everyday work. Scrum Masters helps team make risk visible and keep conversations open. Product owners prioritize responsibility, not just quickly. Developers and data professionals raise concerns early inside the sprint. Governance checks fit into planning, reviews, and definitions of done. This way, responsibility is continuous, not reactive. When governance lives inside the sprint, teams don't slow down, they make better decisions sooner. Small issues are handled early instead of becoming big failures later. This is how Agile supports responsible AI in practice. When leadership, data scientists, product managers, risk teams, and Agile roles work together, something powerful happens. AI becomes safer, it becomes fairer, it becomes more trustworthy. No single role carries the burden alone. That is the real strength of shared responsibility. So remember this idea. AI governance is not owned by one function. It is owned by the organization as a system. And when everyone plays their part, governance actually works. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. In the next video, we'll see how to implement AI governance step by step.